Hello everyone, welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. So in this little series for Christmas, I'm going to show you little different things. I hope you catch up on my pavlova, ideal dessert for Christmas. However, you can have it any time of the year. It's nice and refreshing. Today I'm going to show you how to make a quick bite for your dinner parties or your cocktail parties. Something that's very old school, but people still love it. So I'm going to do melon, rock melon, and coppa, which is a cold cut. You could also use prosciutto if you want. It's always pleasant. I'm going to show you how to do that. So be ready for Christmas because we are going to do a lot of things together. See you after this. So here I went to the butcher and get some beautiful coppa. Nice and thin. So I'm going to use that. But before, I'm going to prepare some rock melon balls. So what I often do is to cut. Have a good smell. If it smells sweet and nice and orangey, it's a beauty. I'm going to use the melon butter or Parisian scoop, whatever you want to call it, and dig into just like this. As you can see, and roll and tap. Roll and tap. Roll and tap. The leftover of it, I will either put it into a smoothie, or I can even make some fruit salad with it. See? Nice little balls. When you get to that, when you get to this, you just cut a little more. And keep cutting around. So having two per person is always a good idea for a dinner party. If you're doing a cocktail party and you have many different bites, I think one is enough. If you're doing a cocktail party, I recommend 6 to 8 bites per person. If you want a replacement of a meal, you should have at least 14 to 18 bites per person. That's for the board. Let's show you now for the meat. Take the meat, cut it in half, and what we're going to do is we're going to do is to take the meat, skew it through. Take one of the melon board and just have it like this. Easy.